back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I do want to remind you guys before we get into this video about the giveaways that we have going on that are ending here within the next few days. So today is August 9th, so our Snack with Me box giveaway actually ends today at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you have not yet entered the Snack with Me box giveaway, head over and do so. I will comment to the winner tomorrow and let them know that they have won, and I will send their information once they give it to me to Snack With Me box to get their free box. We also have on the 12th our Jeffree Star and the Rebecca Mel 3-month subscription giveaway ending. And then on the 15th is when our 4,000 subscriber giveaway ends. So definitely head over, check those out, subscribe, enter, all that good stuff. I love you guys. If you're new, you will love this channel. We have a great time. We do giveaways. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, reviews, live streams, always a great time, all kinds of stuff. I do some sneak peek videos as well. So it'll be fun. We'd love to have you. And again, if you are returning, thank you so much. Your support means so much to me. So let's get into today's video, or one of today's videos actually. As you can see from the thumbnail, we have the August 2019 Allure Beauty Box. So for those of you that do not know, the Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month beauty subscription where you receive sample, deluxe size sample, and even full-size items. Again, it is only $15 a month. You can get your first box, or you do get your first box for only $10 if you have not signed up. I will put a link down below. And usually they also do some kind of free gift when you first sign up. Now, keep in mind, you can get the subscription like I do through Amazon, which for a long time, probably about a year, I went directly through Allure. Well, I just switched last month to Amazon because honestly, the Allure customer service is not always the best. So can kind of bypass that and just order it through Amazon. You still get your first box for only $10. You just don't get the free gift with the first box. But shipping is also a lot quicker. Like I think I probably have this before most people that get it through Allure. But anyway, let's get into the video. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There's always a little magazine here that tells you about the products inside and full-size pricing for those products. Now, the description they give you in here is not like the actual product description. It's more of an opinion from one of the Allure editors or someone. So we will look at this, we'll reference it for full-size pricing of items. But as far as descriptions, I'll just kind of tell you what it is and look to see if they say something, because it's more of an opinion than an actual description. I do want to take one moment before we actually dive into this box, because I got something in the mail today that actually really meant a lot to me. If you guys have been following me, you know that every month I unbox my paper box. I unbox the Grand and the Mini, and it was actually one of the very first boxes I received in PR, as far as I just get the box free for review. And today I got in the mail, and I was wondering, because I'm like, I've already done my videos for the Grand and the Mini this month. And I had gotten something, and I could see that it was from my paper box. And y'all, I'm just like, I am touched. So first, just some cute stickers were in there. But this one right here, it says, "My paper box loves Nicki." I thought that was so cute. And a notepad, which, as you know, for my paper box is standard. It has my name on it, but it also says "My Paper Box Official Affiliate." And then this thank you card. My paper box. And when we open it, you can see my name. But I want to tell you guys what this note says, because it just meant a lot to me. Because like I said, my paper box was one of the first boxes I got free for review, and I really appreciated them taking a chance on me, because when they started sending it to me, I was still fairly new, and like I said, it was one of the first ones, and I just truly, to this day, am still so thankful for them taking a chance on me. And I can't say enough about how much I appreciate it. So this card really meant a lot because it says, Nicki, we wanted to take a moment to tell you how much we appreciate you and everything you have done for us. We thank you for the support. You were our first unboxing ever, and we are so glad we are still working together, more like friends, my Paperbox team. So not only were they one of the first companies to send me something for review, I was the first person to actually do an unboxing review video for them. And for them to remember and take a moment to send me this and just say thank you means so much to me, and I am forever grateful. So I just wanted to throw that out there and to say thank you so much to my Paperbox. If you have not checked out any of their unboxings or you don't know about them, look at my videos. They're always amazing. The stuff is always super, super cute. The boxes always have a theme every month. It's just fun, and you can clearly see they're an amazing company. So just wanted to kind of throw that out there and say thank you to them for their thank you. All right, but anyway, let's get into the August 2019 Allure Beauty Box. So inside the box, we see here this like clearish, translucent lime green plastic bag, which has been the standard for the last few months. They changed, I believe, in January from the red box to this white box with a bag, and the bag has been a different color every month. So let's just start. So the first product here that I am pulling out is from Cargo Cosmetics, Essential Lip Color. Says this smooth and creamy yet lightweight formula delivers high pigment payoff while leaving lips perfectly hydrated and volumized throughout the day. That's awesome. And it says the color is Palm Beach. So there is that. And then you can see there, Palm Beach. All right, so I'm thinking this is full size. Like I said, you do get some full size, deluxe size. Ooh, okay. Well, it is a very pretty color. That is a really, really pretty color. I don't think I've tried any of the Cargo Cosmetics like lipsticks, like bullet style lipsticks. All right, so this is full size and it is $22. So this is already more than the cost of the box. And now the shades could vary in your box. So not everyone is going to get this shade. So I am really, really excited to try this. So that is a win for me. Let's see. Then we have from Benefit Cosmetics, They're Real. This is a mascara. And this is going to be like a travel size, deluxe sample size. I've gotten this before in boxes. The full size value is $25. I'll actually probably put this to the side for a giveaway, just because I have so many mascaras, and this is a really good mascara, but I'll put that to the side for a future giveaway. There's quite a few things in here. Then this is from Primera Creme. Let me read the side that's actually what I can read. Alpine Berry Water Cream, Hydrate and Glow. A nourishing moisturizer that protects, crafted from seed to skin. Ooh. Okay. Let's find this. And this is 0.16 fluid ounces. So this is a 1/10 of the full size, which is going to be 1.6 ounces. The full size value is $40. So this is actually valued at $4 for this little guy right here. I love water creams. Like, they are one of my favorite. This is Alpine Berry. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It does kind of dip in, so it's a little bit deceiving. But this is great to throw in a travel bag. It definitely doesn't smell berry. It smells, I guess, the pine I'm getting. But this is great for travel. So this will go into like my overnight bag or something. And then we have here from Erno Laszlo, New York, Multitask Eye Serum Mask. So it's a set of under eye masks. I love under eye masks. They're amazing. Eye-catching instant results. A silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Yes, yes, and yes. This multitasking eye patch is a high-powered serum infused with algae extract, vitamin B3, and allantonin to deliver immediate results under the eye. So there we have that. So that's a set. So that would be full size for as far as one use. Now this says $35. I would assume, I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know down below, because if this right here, just one set, is $35, that is crazy. And it must work, or I would hope that it would work really, really well. I'm thinking the $35 maybe for like a set of 5 or 10 of these, but either way, I'm excited to have some under eye mask. I love them. So let's move right along. Next we have from Laritzi. This is a Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator in the shade Topaz. Oh, this is actually an eyeshadow. This glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow has a glossy wet finish, very sexy glam, and goes on sheer, but is buildable. Oh, okay. So I was going to think this was a lip topper, like a lip gloss. So this is actually an eyeshadow. Says you can also wear it over your lids all by itself. You could put it on your Cupid's bow, but this is full size. This is $22. So we're getting quite a few full size products here that are more than the value of the box. So oh, and this is pretty. Do you guys see that? That is so pretty. Let's do a swatch. Oh, this would be so pretty across the lid, or in the center of your lid to make your eyes pop. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's full size. The lipstick is full size. We have a deluxe size of the mascara. We do have a full size set of the eye masks. And again, that is valued at $22. The lipstick is $22. So, I mean, we're doing it. All right, and then we have from Nuria, Defend Triple Action Eye Cream with mulberry root and ginseng. Let's see. This is the package right here. Benefit from the wisdom of ancient China, where mulberry, cucumber, and ginseng have been used for centuries to diminish the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Specially formulated for the delicate eye area, this triple duty eye cream nourishes skin and restores radiance. Wow. Vegan, cruelty-free, clinically tested, nature-inspired, clean beauty. Awesome. I love all of that. It says gently squeeze to dispense and massage eye area with smoothing tip. Use daily AM and PM. All right, so what does it say here? And then we'll take it out. You guys, this is full size. This is $40. So just between this, the Laritzi eye product, the Cargo Cosmetics we're at $84. And then if this really is $35, we're over $100, not counting the $4 for the water cream, and I don't know, we'll just say like $5 for the mascara. Y'all, what? And I am all about an eye cream for sure. All right, so this is it outside of the package. And again, being an eye cream, it doesn't need to be huge. Oh, okay, so that's what they were talking about. I love that the tip is like that, so you can literally just, awesome. I'm so excited. All right, and we have one more product, and that is the mini makeup eraser. You guys, this is awesome. Erase all makeup with just water. This right here, even being the mini, is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. Now, I love my makeup wipes, but this is awesome. This is valued at $12. You guys, these are amazing. If you have not tried one of these, I definitely recommend it. Make sure you wash it before you actually use it. I don't know, just wash it. But it is free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrance, and sulfates. Erases makeup, mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more. It is vegetarian and vegan friendly. It's cruelty free, antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, save money. All of that is so true. So we have the makeup eraser valued at $12. We have the Nuria Triple Action Eye Cream valued at $40. We have the Larizzi Liquid Beam Eyeshadow Cream, which has dried down and you can see is not going anywhere, which is amazing, valued at $22. We have the Cargo Cosmetics Lipstick valued at $22. We have their Real Benefit Cosmetics Deluxe Size Mascara, the under eye masks, and then the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. This by far 110% was absolutely worth the $15. This was probably one of the best Allure beauty boxes I've gotten. Now, I will say we did get one with a full-size Sunday Riley cream, so that probably will be the best. So this is definitely in line for second runner-up ever. So definitely, like I said, check the link out below if you have not, or head over to Amazon and get your first box there for $10 as well. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Did you get all of the same as far as like, I think the only variation would be the color of the Cargo Cosmetics lipstick. So let me know what you guys got if you get this box. What did you think? I am super excited. I'm excited for the lipstick. I'm excited for the eyeshadow. I'm excited for the eye cream, the makeup eraser, the under eye mask, I'm excited for all of it. This is the only product I'm going to be putting to the side for a giveaway, so look for this in the future. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you on the next one. Bye!